Yes, YouTube, I hope we're all good. Going to be out shooting in the rain today. Hopefully get some dark, moody shots for the Instagram. It's going to be a nice, relaxed vlog. I'm going to test how the camera rolls up in the rain. Benefit of being out shooting in this rain is I'm the only one here. I've seen nobody yet on this trail. Imagine to get those deep moody greens, those high rivers. Perfect. Wow. Well, being out in this weather, not sure if it's as bad as I planned yet or not, but I'm having a good time. Since lockdown, a lot of these trails have been very busy, very popular, especially with views like that. But out in this weather, you don't get anyone, just me. I've seen 4 people in total since I've been out, and they were runners. It's a good thing. I aim to bring experiences that you wouldn't normally see or do yourselves. So, I hope you've enjoyed it.